You're most welcome in my next classes that belong to standard 9. And during this period, we will discuss over Himadri, Himachal, Shivaliks and longitudinal divisions of Himalaya. Himadri is considered be discussed during previous period. During this period, we will concern over Himachal and Shivalik. As you know that Himachal is the second parallel ranges of Himalayas that are south of Himadri. And the altitude of this Himachal is that 3,700 meter to 4,500 meter high from the sea level. It is the altitudinal expanses of this Himachal, and the width means breadth of this Himachal is 50 kilometer approximately in all parts of the country. This Himachal is the main higher parts of this Himachal is that Pir Panjal range, Dhauladhar range and Mahabharat range. All of these ranges consisted the Himachal also. Not only this is the higher parts of this Himachal, and now we consider on the lower means valley of Himachal. Himachal is consisted of Kashmir Valley, Kangra Valley, Kullu Valley, and Kashmir Valley lies in the Jammu and Kashmir region, while Kangra Valley and Kullu valleys are situated in Himachal Pradesh. These valleys are well known for their dunes. These valleys are locally known as dunes. So many dunes are already you understand by many famous dunes like Dehra dunes. And next ranges of the Himalayas is the Shivaliks. Shivaliks ranges are the south of the Himachal, and that Shivalik extended 10 kilometer to 50 kilometer as a width. Altitude of this Shivalik is approximately 900 to 1100 meter. Means the average height of Shivaliks are 900 meter to 1100 meter, and average breadth of this Himalayas is 10 kilometer to 50 kilometer, that varied in different states. And it's composed of, means the Shivalik ranges composed of unconsolidated sediment. Unconsolidated sediment are those sediments that carried by the river, and it deposited the Shivalik range, and due to interior activities of the earth that are folded and become a shape of the upland. The longitudinal valleys are between, means Himachal and Shivalik. Between Himachal and Shivalik, many longitudinal valleys are also situated, and they are considered as dunes. And already you understood that different dunes are found in our country, famous in our country, and they are the Dehra dunes, they are Kotli dunes, Patli dunes. All of these are dunes. Dunes are actually low land between the two mountain ranges. Next thing is that longitudinal divisions of the Himalayas. During previous period, we will concern over the divisions between west to east. This is longitudinal division that are based on different rivers that ascended from Himalayan regions. In Himalayan regions, many rivers ascended like Indus River, Ganga River, Yamuna River, Satluj River, Ravi, Jhelum, Satluj, Chenab, nahi, Hunja, Jaskar, Nubra, Syok. These are the different rivers that ascended from Himalayas. So the river that ascended from the Mansarovar lake, that is the river Indus, and Indus river and Satluj river. Between these parts of Himalayas is considered as Punjab Himalayas. And Punjab Himalayas is also classified with the Kashmir Himalayas and Himachal Himalayas. This Kashmir Himalayas and Himachal Himalayas, both of the parts of the Punjab Himalayas. Next is that the river between rivers that ascended from Himalayas between Satluj and Kali. Satluj and Kali river, between these rivers, the parts of Himalayas is considered as the Kumaon Himalayas. That Kumaon Himalayas is consisted in the Himachal Pradesh. And after that, the river that ascended from Himalayas, they are the river Kali and the river Tista. The river Kali, and between the river Kali and between the river Tista, there are Nepal Himalayas situated. And Nepal Himalayas means approximately whole the country is Nepal, with the parts of Bihar also, and they are the parts of Nepal Himalayas. Apart from this, Tista river and the Dihang river. Tista river, that are the eastern, that mark the eastern boundary of Nepal from this Tista river and between the Dihang river. Dihang is the name of previous name of the Brahmaputra also. Between Tista river and Dihang river, the parts of Himalayas is considered as the Assam Himalayas. It is considered as the Assam Himalayas. And Assam Himalayas already you understood. Your parts of Arunachal Pradesh. And after that, the Brahmaputra marks the easternmost boundary of the country. Means after Brahmaputra river, no any parts of Himalayas are alive. So means the river Brahmaputra marked the easternmost boundary of the country and bend sharply. After that, the Himachal, after that Arunachal Pradesh, the Himalayas bend south, bend sharply to the south. And in these regions where Himalayan parts is considered as the Purvanchal, that is considered as Purvanchal. In Purvanchal, already you understood that different states of India like Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, Tripura. So these different rivers are the parts of Purvanchal. So Purvanchal, and geographically, Purvanchal comprises with Patkai Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, and Mizo Hills. All hills are the parts of Purvanchal of Himalayas. So in this way, we will concern over the whole Himalayan parts that lie in our country, that are the famous, that popular, that create popularity for the country India. And Himachal or Himalayas save our life also. Himalayas save us from extremely cold wind that originated from Chinese regions, and Himalayas also create barrier in the path of southwest monsoon and create heavy rain in the country. So Himalayas, all over Himalayas save Indians, and we have proud of our Himalayas. Thank you very much.